Look what we got from YouTube, Avelina. Wow! The golden YouTube button. Wow! Thank you, guys!
Gold?
I'm so happy. Where's the button? Where did it go? There he is! I'm calling the police.
Hello? Yes? I'm on my way.
Come quickly! See, officer? He stole our YouTube play button.
I see. Well, next time you see him, you press this button. Can you try it now?
Wow, it's a trap!
Good luck.
Bye. Bye. I want my golden play button back. I have an idea. It's so good we have our silver play button still.
Silver. Gold and silver for my collection.
No, Amelia!
What? What?
Look, Avelina is the police already.
Oh no, mister, you're coming with me. Good job, kids.
No problem. Question. Can we use the pool?
Of course you can. See ya.
Bye. What are you doing? Fishing? Oh. Okay, good luck. Hi Amelia, are you back already? Yes, I just came home. Did you see my book? No. Weird. Where did I leave it? Okay, I go shower. Wait, shower? There? Yes. Weird. Hi, Dad.
Hey, Amelia.
Watering a shoe?
I planted something and I'm waiting until it grows.
What? Really? Okay.
Look! Cool, huh?
Did you just take a shower there? Yes. Hey, look! Amelia, are you okay? Yes, I had a very strange dream. It's okay, it was just a dream.
Ew! Who spoiled the air here? Smells fishy. Was that you, Amelia?
Christmas, I love it.
Tree.
So beautiful. Huh?
And now breaking news. There is a silly Santa in town. He collects Christmas trees. Please keep a close look on your tree, otherwise no tree this Christmas. Now to the
Thanks
next
goodness,
item.
Archie. Where did he go? There he is! Where is my tree? Real Santa! Sorry.
Help me back up, please. Where is my hat? Alright, tell me what happened, girl.
Come inside, I'll tell you.
So, Amelia, tell me what happened.
Now, I was just sitting on the couch and I was watching the news, and the silly Santa is collecting trees, and when I looked in our garden, our tree was gone. I don't know what to do now, Santa.
Oh no! That is awful, Amelia. Let me get your tree back, okay? Reggie, Reggie, work the magic. 1, 2, 3, come back the tree.
Thank you, Santa!
Well, it's a tree for sure, but it's not a very big one. I think we can do better than that. Fidgy, Reggie, work the magic. 1, 2, 3, I want a bigger tree.
That's much better. Now I can put lights on.
Stop, Amelia. Let me help you with that. Fidgy, Reggie, work the magic. Christmas lights in the tree so bright.
Wow, so beautiful!
Yeah, that looks good with these lights, huh?
Yeah.
But do you want some decorations in it?
Yes!
Alright, you know the drill. Fidgy, Reggie, work the magic. 1, 2, 3, decorations in the tree!
Huh? Silly Santa! He stole our tree!
Can I come inside? I just love the tree so much. Please?
Oh, that was not very nice of you, right? But I will still give you a present. Here you go.
A present for me? Oh, thank you. Bye.
All right. Amelia,
Yes.
I have a present for you too.
Thank you so much, Santa!
Now I have to visit some other kids. I'll see you next year, okay? And be good. Ho ho ho!
Bye!
Merry Christmas!
Thank you, Santa! Bye!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone! Bye!
Comment, like, subscribe! Yahoo!